Hi, as I told you in my last videos, I will share the examination method of tone documents. So let's begin. So the investigation techniques is divided into the several parts. First, we discussed about the collection of the and the preservation of the tone documents. So the first step is all the fragmented are collected carefully, avoiding further damage. And the second process is pieces are stored in transparent sleeves or the envelope to prevent contaminations. And the next method is the visual examinations. So first is inspect tone edges under magnifications, then match fiber edges, counter and ruling lines to align fragment. Okay, check ink flow, which is very important in the handwriting examinations, stroke of the handwritings, and the paper textures of continuity. Then reconstruction technique is first the manual matching, align tone edges like a puzzles. Next, shape basis analysis, use geometrical patterns of tears. Then content matching. Compare printed text, handwritings, or background design. This is reconstruction techniques. We can use the scientific methods. Optical tools used in these scientific methods, like microscopes, UV, IR, light to reveal the hidden writings. Then chemical test is also conducted for the examination of ink analysis to confirm the consistency of the ink, the type of the ink, the age of the ink. Then digital imaging technique is also employed. Scan fragmented, use softwares to the virtual reconstruction of the documents. So this is the scientific methods. The one more important thing is very important. This is authenticated and reporting. Once all above reconstructions techniques and steps are conducted, then the document is examination for the authenticity. Then findings are documented in the report, often used in the court, which is the last part and scope of the forensic expert. So this is the technique of examination of tone documents. Once again, I am telling you that every tone pieces tell a story. So we forensic expert through the forensic reconstruction, we find the justice and its missing words. This is the power of forensic science. Thank you very much.